Hey guys, I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be showing you this new silky straight wig that I have, and this is from the company XrsBeautyHair. This wig looks so amazing, and I was shook. So I wanted to show you guys the packaging. The packaging is really pretty and it also has some goodies inside, but most importantly, this wig was inside. So this wig is so realistic. I believe I have a size small cap. As you can see, it comes with combs, adjustable straps, and this wig is probably like the most realistic wig that I've ever tried. When I want a customized wig, I expect to get a wig like this. This is plucked to perfection. The bleaching is on point. This wig blends in so nicely. So this is clear lace. This is supposed to be like the most natural lace on the market compared to like transparent lace or regular brown lace. And I did like a side-by-side comparison, but it really didn't turn out right, so I just took it out the video altogether. But I might make another video showing you guys how it looks. But most of the time, like when they say HD lace and how natural it looks, most of the time I just think it's BS, but this wig lived up to the name. So I'm just going in with my high comb just to flatten everything out and also show you guys the parting and what it will look like if you decide to go in and part it. I just basically did like a flip over method because I was just too amazed, and I honestly wasn't worried about going in and styling this wig. I honestly didn't even go in and straighten this wig. So it's time to go in and cut this lace off. Today I'm going to be using my Got to Be Free spray. But if I was rocking this wig for like a couple of days or a couple of weeks, I would probably use some actual lace wig glue to make sure this wig doesn't go anywhere, because with Got to Be products, it's water based, so it's not really going to last in the summertime. You're just going to sweat it off. So I would try something that will actually hold up. Now, laying the ear tabs is actually the part that I hate, because it takes so much work to get those ear tabs to lay down and stay down. So that's one of the worst parts for me when it comes to laying down wigs. Just look at how good this lace blends into my skin without even going in with the spray. I feel like this is how a lace wig is supposed to look. It's supposed to be undetectable. This wig, this is how I expect like all of my human hair wigs to look. Now when I was doing this video, the AC was on, but I was still hot, so as quickly as I melted this wig is as quickly as it at least started lifting. But it still looked really good. I always like things to be perfect when I'm laying my wig, so sometimes I may be a little hard on myself and see things that other people may not see. I can't remember if I experienced any shedding when I did this video. This was my last video for this particular day, and I did a lot of videos that day. So I can't remember if the wig shed or not, but I plan on giving this a spin, and I'll just keep you guys updated in the comment section. But if I didn't mention the inch of this wig, this is 18 inches, and you probably can choose like different lengths on the website. I'm still shocked at how natural this wig looks and how great it blends in. I have to go check out the website and see if there's any Yaki wigs in this same style, because that's more of my speed, but this wig still turned out amazing, and like I said, I plan on giving it a spin. If you guys have ever purchased from this company, let me know below if you like it, and also let me know how it's holding up. If you guys would like to purchase this wig or check out the website, the links will be down in the description box as always. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys soon.